You just completed your second module and learned a whole lot about Python syntax. Congrats! We've learned how to operate with different data types and how to create our own variables and expressions. We've defined our first functions and learned how to make them return values so that they're more reusable. We then dove into creating branches in our scripts, which lets them act in different ways depending on the values of our variables. We've learned a lot of new and very powerful stuff. Knowing how to structure your code and functions and how to make your code act in different ways depending on the values is what allows us to tell our computer what to do. We'll keep using these tools throughout the course as we move on to more complex and interesting things. Next up, you can put everything you've learned to the test in the next graded assessment. Don't worry if you don't feel ready yet. Remember that you can re-watch the videos and do the practice quizzes as many times as you need to make sure you fully understand everything we've covered. When you're ready for the test, take your time, and best of luck. I'll catch you after you've finished in the next module, where we'll learn all about loops. See you there.